Today I went to the supermarket to buy groceries for the week. It was a bright and sunny day. Perfect for a trip to the store. As I entered the supermarket, I was greeted by the familiar sound of carts rolling and people chatting. I grabbed a shopping cart and started making my way through the aisles. First stop, the produce section. The colourful display of fruits and vegetables caught my eye, and I couldn't help but marvel at the array of fresh produce. I carefully selected some ripe apples, plump tomatoes and vibrant bell peppers. I also picked out a bunch of bananas and a bag of carrots for snacking. Next, I made my way to the dairy aisle. I reached for a carton of milk and checked the expiration date to make sure it was fresh. Then I browsed the cheese selection and chose a block of cheddar and some slices of Swiss cheese. For sandwiches, with dairy checked off my list, I headed to the bread aisle. The smell of freshly baked bread filled the air as I perused the shelves. I picked out a loaf of whole wheat bread and a pack of hamburger buns. For dinner later in the week, as I continued my shopping journey, I made sure to stock up on pantry staples. I grabbed a bag of rice, a box of pasta and a jar of pasta sauce. For easy dinners, I also added some cans of soup and beans to my cart for quick and convenient meals. Of course, no trip to the supermarket would be complete without a few treats. I indulged myself by picking up a bar of chocolate and a bag of potato chips to satisfy my cravings. Finally, with my cart full of groceries, I made my way to the checkout. The cashier scanned each item with a beep, and I carefully loaded my bags onto the conveyor belt. After paying for my purchases, I headed out of the store with a sense of satisfaction knowing that I had everything I needed to make delicious meals for the week ahead.
Feel free to express any ideas you'd like to share in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video soon.